righty. Oh my gosh, Ethereum's pumping right now. Right when I hit record, Ethereum, holy Lord, is it going for it? It's going for it. Oh. Right when I hit record. It's going against the weekly resistance, the ancient resistance of 3,800. It's going for it right now. Right now. Wow. Soon as I hit record, it starts going. Folks, it's your friend, CryptoFace. We got a lot to talk about, but while we're here, we might as well just get right after it. Ethereum. Let me blow your mind. First off, Ethereum on the weekly, the ancient dragon resistance. We are on the fourth tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 is our favorite number in trading, in crypto trading. 4 is the one that, that's the one. Sometimes 5, and then sometimes 3 after that. But this week, this puppy's breaking. It might even be happening during survival, during this video. Now, not only that, but look, what do we see here? Oh my gosh. A Jesus take the wheel pattern has been here the whole time on the weekly Ethereum. If you don't know what a Jesus take the wheel pattern is, it's 2 arms, a flat middle, another arm, and you can put a head in between. It's going hallelujah. When it comes back to the neckline, it fires off. And we're seeing that right now. This is a real good looking Jesus take the wheel as we speak. So that's terrific. Now, the weekly. Let's actually assess the indications we're still on Ethereum here. We have our momentum. The gates are open. The open momentum is open. We have a new weekly candle, 6.5 days left. It's going to be a great week. We have Monday coming in, so we're going to have our first day of data coming in. So that's good. Now, money flow coming up. It's nice and tight. RSIs, both RSIs are intertwined into each other, and I got a feeling this RSI is going to flip to the green. Now, you go to the monthly, and oh boy, oh my Lord. And this was brought to my attention during the live stream, I think, right? In the live stream when you guys brought this up. My gosh. If you know anything about market cipher basic strategy, you are very excited about this. First off, obviously the money flow is thick in the green, but the RSIs switching green and high, the tight trigger wave, and really it's just repeating the same pattern as it did before. The 1, 2 dip, boom, pump, and here we go. 1, 2 dip. It's time to start another momentum wave. So this is gonna run. We've been knowing this is gonna happen for some time. We called this bull market trend, this bull trend at really before the bottom right here. Boom. What do you knew when this wave was crossing on the Bitcoin weekly? It was on. $82,000 Bitcoin. It was on. And we knew everything was coming up after that. Altcoins, the altcoin season's going off. I was a doubter on Ethereum. But boy, I tell you what, Ethereum's going to all-time high. Probably this week. Now, what has been happening? There has been a bit of a pattern. On the weekends, the price has come up quite a bit. Mondays have been selling off. Tuesdays have been kind of sideways and weird, but Wednesdays, and Thursdays, but really Wednesdays have been the days where we really blow up. And so even if tomorrow, and I don't know why this darn thing's going so slow right now, for Pete's sake. If tomorrow, like if right now we are at the ancient dragon resistance. If it gets rejected or comes like it's rejected, even for 2 days, that's okay. It's going to bust through. This thing's busting through. And this is exactly what it looks like. This is what it looks like when you have a true breakout. Right? It doesn't just hang up here and then break out. The price gets pushed down, and then the momentum carries it up. Just like the whitewater rafting rapids. If you're in a little raft going down rapids and Fat Susie falls overboard and she's a big woman and you're a little skinny man, you got to get the fat lady back in your raft. You can't just grab her and pull her up. You have to grab her life vest right here and you say, on the count of 3, I'm pushing you down. 1, 2, 3. Take a deep breath. You push her down, then hopefully you can pull her back up. So that's what's going on here. So Ethereum looking amazing. Solana looking amazing. This is the weekly on Solana. Tight Solano, tight trigger wave. I mean, we could just go over everything, and we could talk about how bullish everything is looking. But I'm going to give you something better. And I've told you people what I've been doing, but I want to make it clear what strategy I'm using to ride these trends at the right time, which is knowing that the price is going to keep going up and not stop within a certain amount of time. Let me show you. In fact, we actually did a short on it. It was clipped from our channel, but here's the strategy. Start this darn thing. Okay. The strategy. I use it on the 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, 8 hour, 12 hour, daily. Those are pretty much the ones. Although it can work on any. But what we're gonna do is when it's a new 6 hourly candle. So in an hour right here, there's an hour left in this 6 hour candle. And what we're looking for is this momentum to be open in white. This green dot's pretty nice. But like, let's say right here. Let's say, for example, right here. If I looked at the 6 hour and there was 5 hours left, 4 hours left, and this is open, I'm long in this. And look, it continues. In fact, let's zoom in a little bit. Let's mark that. We can even do a smaller time frame here because that's what I was doing on Solana, the Solana call today. Here we go. Or tonight. With Solana, here we go. Right now on the 6 hour. 4 hours ago, I made a post on Twitter. This post. The gates are open for Solana. There's 5.5 hours left. Momentum is open. And what did I say? I said, I believe for the next few hours, minimum, at least the next few hours, we know the price will be continuing with an extremely high, undeniable probability. The price was $189.10 Long in the top, CryptoFace, they say. Oh, you're long in the top, though, aren't you? Oh, well, let's take a look here. Oh, geez. Oh, look, 5 hours later, the price is $191 and continuing. And you might say, oh, well, that's only $2. But when you're riding Ethereum, when you're riding Solana, and it keeps going and going on the 12-hour, the 6-hour, whatever, that's how I've been catching. That's how I've been getting mine. So now on the 6 hour, there's 1 hour left. So what do we do now? If I just sat down on my computer, I'm looking along, it's looking good. Well, yes, it still might be good. But if we want to confirm, we're going to wait for the new 6-hour candle. So we're going to wait for this hour to go by. And when the new 6-hour candle pops up, we'll give it like 30 minutes, 20 minutes, and see if these gates are still open. If there's 5.5 hours left, 5 hours left in the candle, and it's looking the same, it's open, I don't care what the price is. I don't care what kind of top you think it is. Longing it, setting it, and forgetting it. And that's how we've been catching these trends on these hourly time frames. Simple as pie. Simple as pie. It's so easy to do this in the bull run. Now, even during this bull run, and I'm not trying to brag, but there's only been one person that I've seen that's been calling prices before they happen, and it's the CryptoFace Twitter and the CryptoFace Discord. Now, yes, when Bitcoin hits 118,000, then everyone starts posting about it, but no one's posting saying, yo, the all-time's going to happen today. Yo, this is going to go up for the next few hours. Hey, this price is going to go up or down for the next few hours. We're doing it before it happens. Ethereum's about to. July 20th. What? Oh, what's going on here? Oh, geez. Oh, yeah. 100,000 views. Damn. July 20th at 2 in the morning. Ethereum's about to pump, baby. Letting them know before it happens. And then literally moments later, it began. And even on the dumps, where was it? It's both ways. Okay, where was it? Good morning, July 18th. Don't get dumped on today. Friday, we knew it was going to dump. Later in the day, we knew it was going to dump. Don't get dumped on after the amazing Wednesday, Thursday. What happened on Friday? It dumped. See, look, later on, did you? And again, I'm not bragging. I'm just saying that, gosh, these people, and I know you people watching this are my people. I'm preaching to the choir here. But in the case that there's a couple new people that have fell into, somehow come across our channel here, let me tell you, make sure you're keeping an eye on us. I don't ask you to subscribe. We do insane cash crypto giveaways and shit. Oh, by the way, Market Cipher is 35% off. The code is buy. Because that's what we're doing. Buy. B-U-I. So again, catching the 4 hour, the 3 hour, 6 hour, 12 hour, man, when the 12-hour gates are open, oh, it's so amazing. It's so nice. And you can just set it and forget it. When there's 10 hours left in the candle and it's ripping, we were nailing that. Go back to Ethereum here. So again, we are at the ancient resistance for Ethereum. It is going to break this week. And who knows where the Ethereum price is going to eventually go. But, man, that weekly and this monthly is absolutely insane. For the RSIs to flip bullish, VWAP oscillation coming up, trigger wave coming up, the pattern reset is here. A new momentum wave is going to form. It's going to be a good time. It's going to be a good time. It's going to be a good time. There's choppiness in between, but it's going to be a great time. Now, are you a broke person. Just kidding. If you don't have the money to trade, or honestly, if you really do want to trade, everyone should be using a prop firm instead of your own money on these Chinese exchanges without knowing what the hell's going on. You pass a test, you get 100x your money. For $100, you pass the trading test, you're trading with 10 grand of their money. It's brilliant. I wish I knew about it when I was starting out. I wish it was around when I was starting out. Yeah, these are the good times. Now, this doesn't last forever. This will not last forever. These times don't come every year. They come like once every 4 years, damn near. And guess what? This is going to end at the end of this year. No matter what anybody says, no matter what you think, when we are at peak performance and happiness, euphoria, in come November, December, and oh my God, Bitcoin's 250,000. We're frothing at the mouth. That's when a major news event, a major event is going to be the excuse that comes. The Satoshi wallet's going to sell 1 Bitcoin. Oh shit. Oh shit. Craig Wright comes out. He sold up 1 Bitcoin oh fuck. Oh shit. See ya. It's going to be dead. They're going to think it's dead. It's going to take some time, but this is the cycle and it starts all over again. So get it while the getting's good. Because 99.9999% chance says after this year, shit hits the fan. For whatever reason. What that reason will be, we don't know just yet. But hey, maybe there is a chance this time's different. Whatever. All I know is these ETFs, these finance guys, they're using this for a product, and their balance sheets are not calculated in Bitcoin. They're calculated in dollars. So as invincible as we feel right now, it doesn't last forever. So you got to chop it while the getting's good. Get it while the getting's good. It's good right now, and it's easy. You just stick to this couple simple strategies. The gates are open. Okay, the gates are open on this momentum on the 6 hour. There's only 50 minutes left. Okay, I'll wait. Let's wait an hour, hour and a half. When it's a new candle, see how it's looking. Gates are open again. Hammer it. You know, you got at least 2-3 hours, at least, of the price going in that direction. Man, there's so much we could talk about. The futures, the stock market, everything. But it's crypto right now. So gather your handful of shit coins, your meme coins, man. Don't be a jackwagon this time. I'll tell you what. Let's take let's do a little example here. Let's give a little example here. Okay, let's take a look. See here. Oh boy. Oh geez. Okay. Do you think now? If I end up being wrong, I'll fall on this sword. Okay. If I'm wrong, I'll fall on the sword. But the chances of your dog with hat coming back to its previous, where you bought, when you bought at $4.50, dog with hat, when the kids were dancing and sweating and touching themselves on stage, the chances of that going back there, slim. People are going to sell this shit. If it happens, great. If I'm wrong, great. I hope it does happen for you goons. We got, geez, it's almost August? Wow. Man, time goes by, doesn't it? It goes by quick. But when you look back, it seems slow, but it goes by quick. So buy. But come end of the year, sell. Because if you don't, you're going to want to kill yourself. I probably forgot a bunch of stuff I wanted to go over and take a look at. But yeah, we're waiting for the games to begin this week. I wouldn't be surprised if it's sell off Monday, or if we break out Monday. We'll see. I mean, the last 2 weeks we've been selling off on Monday, Tuesday, and the pump comes on Wednesday, Thursday. When you have that data. So there's no rush, but we only got like 4 or 5 months left. Get it done.